So in this video, we'll be discussing on how do we determine the slope and the y-intercept of a given equation given or being written in the form of y equals mx plus b. And this is actually the what we call the slope intercept form. Okay, let's start. So again, our equation is in the form of y equals mx plus b. And then the m here, this m here, that is our slope. And then this b, this is our y-intercept. So let's proceed. So in this given, again, y equals mx plus b. So don't be confused later on with the sign, okay? We will clarify on that. But in this one, m, the value of m, or the slope, is what? Automatically 2. And then b, this b here, whatever is the sign here or the operation here, that's going to be your sign. Let's say this is plus 5, so it will become positive 5. However, in this given, it's minus 5. That's why our b is going to be negative 5. Continuing with the other one, again, y equals mx plus b. On this given, again, when you say m, it's the number before the x, right? So we have here m equals negative 9. And then, continuing, our b is what? 13. As simple as that. Again, this b here is the y-intercept. How about the third one? Now, what if we have our fraction? Well, actually, it's still the same thing. Y equals mx plus b. So, on this given, what's the number before our x? That's our m. And that's actually 1 half. Nothing changes. And then our y-intercept, again, this b means y-intercept. That is, again, what's the number here? It's minus 1 or negative 1. And then, yeah, as simple as that. And then continuing, so we have here y equals, again, y equals mx plus b. You get the number before the x. What's that number? Negative 3. So your m equals negative 3. And then the y-intercept, again, that's b is the y-intercept, is what? Again, that's also a fraction, and it's negative. Negative 3 over 5. Now, on the fifth and sixth example, now you might be wondering, um, isn't it that there are like lacking given? Let's say in this example, we have here again, what's our form? Y equals mx is m plus b. So obviously we have our m. M is 4. It's the number before the x. However, we don't have the y-intercept on this given. It's like it's not being written. However, okay, please take note that when every time slope or the y-intercept is not being written automatically, its value is gonna be 0 because I can actually put here plus 0 and then it has nothing to do, right? I mean, adding a number to an expression has nothing to do with it. So our b here again is 0. Let me recall that. So once there is no written or given y-intercept on the equation, automatically you write 0. And same thing with slope, considering our next example. This is y equals 7. So again, our equation is y equals mx plus b. Take note that this number here, this 7, it has no variable. That's why that is gonna be our y-intercept or the b. So b equals 7. However, on this given again, there is no m, right? There is no number with the x. So what do we do again? As I told a while ago, every time slope or y-intercept is not written in the equation, its value is gonna be automatically 0. It's like we can actually rewrite this one as y equals 0 x plus 7. However, multiplying 0 with x, that's going to be 0. And then, yeah, 0 plus 7 has nothing to do. That's why we don't write it anymore. That's why our equation now is y equals 7. And then the slope is going to be 0. Yeah. And then, yeah, that's as simple as that one. Y equals mx plus b. That's the form of the equation. And then this is how we solve or how we identify or determine the value of the y-intercept and our slope. And I hope you get this one. Thank you.